Hello, my name is Claus Vaupel from Zscaler. I'm running the technical team here in the Alpine and Central Europe region for Zscaler for already 3 years. And this time we are the first time here at the conference, Zero Day Conference, which is actually a very interesting event because we have a gathering all around the main topic of security. What I specifically see being discussed a lot here, also in the agenda, is about the topic of zero trust. Zero trust is an interesting concept which has been there for a long time, but now being very much continued to be driven in depth. But there's different understandings about zero trust. The one way you can think about it, and this is how it is classically being seen, mainly talking about existing infrastructure, existing hardware, existing software, being configured in a way that it's not like doors open anymore, but more concentrated and doing more like a whitelist model. So forbidding everything and then allowing specific things. That's the one thing we see here. However, the question is that the model of the future? Because we'll see a massive change towards the direction of cloud-based infrastructure. But then, is that the right model? Why would I take an existing system, existing hardware, existing software and move that to the cloud, call it cloud, but don't really build it from there? This is where the change starts. This is where we see a massive difference in how we should approach the topic. Zero trust architecture, specifically network architecture, means we need to rethink the topic and build it straight up from the cloud. So saying we need to make sure that there is no visibility of services which a user is trying to access in the cloud, but for himself. So make the network kind of dark from him and allowing only to see the services the company he works for, the administrators, want him to see. And that is our view of zero trust network access, that we don't even want users, customers, to see the services they are not using. The event is very interesting because we could already meet different people from the security industry, which will also offer you an interesting new view on the topics you've been doing all day. So one of the most important things for me on the one hand side being here is seeing different opinions from different people, so extending your focus to a wider area. And then on the other hand side, of course, meeting customer, identifying projects, and that's where we've already been able to talk to 3 different opportunities, which sound very interesting.